Whew. Look, I only just a little bit there and a little bit there cut through the leaf. Otherwise, the rest is good. I got it lined up right. Oh boy. So I missed pouring. I thought I hit record. And I had not hit record. So you missed me pouring the brown base and putting the little flower in bed. Not the end of the world. I was just annoyed at myself. The star of the soap is the top anyways. This is brown with the fragrance. This part is white with no fragrance. I am using coconut shavings from Liebermuth, which is the best coconut I have found out there. Amazing coconut. It's strong, it stays. Like, I have soap that's 3 years old with this scent and it still smells so strong. And it smells like a good coconut and just like coconut. Love it. My customers who love coconut love it. But it discolors brown. So it makes for a challenging design. So I typically kind of make it look just like a coconut, right? Brown outside, white inside. And I don't put any fragrance in it. But I did add these little embeds and I made the top cute because that's the star of the soap. So you got to work with those fragrances. When you find a good one and it discolors, it is what it is, and you figure out how to make it work. So I adore this. Normally I would just put 2 coconuts on. That's what I've done in the past, but I don't know. This year I was just like, I really don't want to do that. It's not speaking to me. And I remember I had this mold with the leaf and flower that had that kind of tropical Hawaiian feel, and I was like, you know, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm really pleased. I really, really like the top. I think it's just perfect for the scent and it's cute. So I'm really glad I went with 1 coconut and these and the flower and leaf instead. But yeah, so not overly hard to pour inside, but super cute top outside. Let me know what you think.